Breathe in, breathe out. A simple breath affects the cycle we call life. But what if that breath is affecting the world too much? The world today operates on never-ending cycles that repeat over and over. But what happens when those cycles are disrupted? When an organism dies, decomposers break down its organic matter, releasing essential nutrients like carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus into the soil. These nutrients are crucial for the growth of plants, which form the base of the food web. Fauna, or animal life, plays a vital role in this nutrient cycle. Animals consume plants and other organisms, incorporating nutrients into their bodies. When these animals produce waste or eventually die, decomposers break down this organic matter, returning nutrients to the soil. This process is integral to what we call the Decomposi-Tide Cycle, a term that captures the ebb and flow of organic matter within ecosystems. This cycle is not isolated. It is a significant part of the broader carbon cycle. Plants absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere for photosynthesis, converting it into organic compounds. These compounds are then consumed by animals, which, through respiration and decomposition, release carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. This exchange keeps the carbon cycle in balance. However, human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, are disrupting this balance. By releasing excessive carbon dioxide, we are altering the natural carbon cycle and contributing to climate change. The increased concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere leads to global warming, which in turn affects weather patterns, sea levels, and biodiversity. Similarly, human activities impact the nitrogen and phosphorus cycles. The use of synthetic fertilizers in agriculture introduces large amounts of nitrogen and phosphorus into the soil. While these nutrients are vital for plant growth, their excess leads to nutrient runoff into water bodies, causing pollution and harming aquatic life. Eutrophication, a process where water bodies become overly enriched with nutrients, leads to algal blooms that deplete oxygen in the water, resulting in the death of aquatic organisms. This disrupts the aquatic food web and damages ecosystems that many species depend on. Adding another layer of complexity is the anthropogenic or human-driven effect on the biogeochemical cycles through the introduction of invasive species. These species, often brought by humans to new environments, can outcompete native fauna and flora, disrupting the natural ecosystem balance. Invasive species alter nutrient cycling, food webs, and habitat structures, further stressing the environment. For example, invasive plants can change soil chemistry and hydrology, making it difficult for native plants to survive. Invasive animals can prey on or compete with native species, leading to declines or extinctions of local populations. Understanding the Decomposi-Tide cycle highlights the interconnectedness of biological and geochemical processes. It underscores the need to mitigate human impacts and manage invasive species effectively. By recognizing the delicate balance of this cycle, we can take steps to sustain ecosystem health, support biodiversity, and maintain soil fertility. Conservation efforts such as restoring habitats, controlling invasive species, and reducing pollution are essential to protect these natural processes. As you breathe in and out, Each breath plays a role in these intricate cycles. But if we don't consider our impact, we risk disrupting the natural order. The Decomposi-Tide Cycle is a reminder of how our actions, both big and small, are intertwined with the environment. Our everyday choices, from the food we eat to the energy we use, have ripple effects on these cycles. We must strive to live in harmony with nature, ensuring that the cycles of life continue smoothly for the sake of our planet and future generations. By embracing sustainable practices and fostering a deeper connection with the natural world, we can contribute to the resilience and balance of Earth's ecosystem.